How to tie rope handcuffs or the single jug sling. So in front of me I've got the rope laid out in which I want to tie the rope handcuffs or the single jug sling. Now the first thing that I do is I take hold of my left hand rope here and I form a loop so it goes around over itself at this point. So it's round going over the top and the bottom one is going to the right hand side. I then do exactly the same on the other side but opposite. So I take hold of my rope and I form a loop so it goes around, underneath itself and then off to the right hand side there. I then take the right hand rope and I pass it over the left one. So those two loops have now crossed. At this point here, what I'm going to do now is this left hand part of the loop is going to go underneath this one here, and this one here will be pulled up over this one here. So just put my hand down under, take hold of that left hand bit, go up, take hold of the right hand bit, pull them open, and now once you've dressed it up nice and smartly, you have one in number rope handcuff or the single jug sling.